Conversation between Neha and Myra about Annika's personality.
Hey Myra, how are you doing?
Hi Neha, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great too. Actually, I wanted to talk to you about something. You know my friend Annika, right?
Of course, I remember her. What's up?
Well, I've noticed something interesting about Annika recently. She seems to be quite introverted, unlike her usual self.
Really? I always thought Annika was an extrovert. She's usually so outgoing and social.
That's what surprised me too. But lately, she has been avoiding crowded places and prefers to spend more time alone or with a small group of close friends.
That does sound like a change. Have you talked to her about it?
I did. She mentioned that she's been feeling drained after social interactions and needs more time to recharge her energy.
Ah, I see. It sounds like she's experiencing some introverted tendencies then. Sometimes people's preferences can change over time.
Absolutely. It's important for us to understand and respect her needs. I want to support her in any way I can.
That's a great approach, Neha. Everyone has their own unique nature, and it's wonderful that you're being considerate and supportive. Annika will appreciate it for sure.
I hope so. I want her to know that it's perfectly fine to be introverted, and will be there for her no matter what.
Definitely, Neha. It's all about embracing our differences and appreciating the diverse personalities we have in our friendships. Annika is lucky to have a friend like you.
Thank you, Myra. I'll make sure to be there for her and understand her better. Friends should always support each other, regardless of their nature.
That's the spirit, Neha. I'm sure your friendship will only grow stronger through this understanding. If you need any help or advice, feel free to reach out.
Thanks, I really appreciate your support. It means a lot to me.
You're welcome, Neha. Friends stick together, right? Conversation between Neha and Myra about Neha's ambitious sister.
Hey Myra, I wanted to share something with you about my sister. She's been making some incredible strides in her career lately. It's both impressive and overwhelming at the same time.
That's amazing, Neha. Your sister's ambition is really shining through. It must be exciting to see her achieve so much. How are you feeling about it?
Honestly, it's a mix of emotions. On one hand, I'm proud of her and inspired by her drive. But on the other hand, it sometimes makes me question my own achievements and feel like I'm not doing enough.
I can understand why you might feel that way, Neha. It's natural to compare ourselves to others, especially when they're excelling in their pursuits. But remember, your journey is unique, and your own accomplishments matter just as much. It's important to celebrate your own successes while supporting your sister.
Thank you, Myra. I needed that reminder. I sometimes forget to give myself credit for what I've achieved. I'll try to focus more on my own growth and not let comparison overshadow my progress.
Absolutely, Neha. Embrace your own journey and recognize your own strengths. Your sister's achievements can serve as motivation and inspiration, rather than making you feel inadequate. Remember, you have your own unique path to follow.
You're right, Myra. I shouldn't let it bring me down. Instead, I'll use her success as a source of motivation and learn from her dedication and perseverance. Maybe we can even support each other's goals along the way.
That sounds like a wonderful idea, Neha. Siblings can be each other's biggest cheerleaders. By supporting each other's ambitions, you can both thrive and grow together. Don't hesitate to share your aspirations with your sister and see how you can collaborate or offer each other guidance.
I appreciate your encouragement, Myra. I'll definitely make an effort to have those conversations with her and foster a more supportive dynamic. It's time to embrace our individual ambitions while also being there for each other.
That's a fantastic mindset. Remember, your sister's ambition can be a valuable resource for you. Celebrate her successes and learn from her, but also remember your own worth and the incredible things you're capable of achieving. I believe in you.
Thank you, your belief in me means a lot. I'll keep pushing forward and embracing my own journey, all while being there to cheer on my sister's accomplishments. Let's both chase our dreams and support each other along the way.
Absolutely, we're in this together. Let's go after our ambitions and create a supportive and empowering environment for each other. I'm excited to see both of you flourish and achieve great things.